welcome back to my channel S Chemistry. My name is Sonal and today's discussion will be based on 5 important thoughts to ponder upon before deciding to send an application for a PhD program. So let's get started. The very first thought to ponder upon is why exactly do you require this PhD degree? So first of all, PhD is not just a course or a mere degree, it is so much more. PhD can be considered like a commitment wherein you will be investing crucial years of your life. So PhD is more like a marathon and not a sprint. So you need to ask yourself, why exactly am I pursuing a PhD degree? Okay, for that what you can do is just sit down somewhere, anywhere, and ask yourself, where do you see yourself in the coming 5 years? Okay, and once you have an answer for that, check how this PhD degree is going to help you to get to that end goal. Okay, so if you see yourself as a scientist or as a researcher or in the academics, okay, you need to know how this PhD degree is going to help you to get to your end term goal. Fine, so that is the first point. Second thought to ponder upon is the area in which you want to pursue your PhD. For example, I am an inorganic chemist, okay, and inorganic chemistry can be further subdivided into many fields, into many areas like bioinorganic, organometallic, solid state chemistry, catalysis, supramolecular chemistry, then we have nanochemistry, and there is so much more, right? So you need to know exactly in which research area do you want to have your thesis. Okay, so where does your heart exactly lie, right? Because PhD is going to be an investment in terms of time for a matter of 5 to 6 years, and the thesis or the project that you're selecting shouldn't end up boring you, because if it bores you, you will lose interest and you will find yourself exhausted, and that is not healthy for a good PhD program. So you need to ask yourself, talk to people, get ideas about recent advances in your field, okay, which field is doing well, read about it and see if it interests you. Or sometimes many people prefer to carry forward their MSc project work, as in the field in which they were working for their MSc dissertation project. They want to study more, okay, they want to build more knowledge in the same field. So you can do that as well, but it entirely depends on your interest. The third thought to ponder upon is with respect to your personal life, your relationship dynamics, because again, considering investment of 5 to 6 years, you need to see exactly how this PhD is going to affect your relationships on a personal level. So with respect to your parents, with respect to your siblings, if you are in a relationship, then with respect to your partner, because your family should also know that PhD is going to keep you involved physically, mentally, emotionally, right? So you need to have your frequencies, your wavelengths matched, okay? And suppose you're moving away from home, then how the entire dynamics are going to work. If you are doing a PhD in the same state, in the same city, but most of the times students prefer to move away. So all of that influence on your relationships, you need to consider that also. You need to talk to your close ones and tell them all the responsibilities that you will be having as a PhD scholar. So you need to consider that point as well. The fourth thought to ponder upon is with respect to your finances. So all of us know the fellowship that is usually offered in Indian colleges or universities, okay? So again, your critical, crucial years you will be investing into your PhD. So if you have any financial responsibilities on yourself, okay, any financial load that you have, you need to have a plan that with that amount of fellowship, how you're actually going to tackle all your finances. So you need to be prepared for that as well. So get a rough idea with respect to the fellowship amounts and see if it works with respect to your finances. You need to just have a plan, okay, so that you don't stress yourself out eventually because of finances. And the last point to ponder upon is with respect to the universities wherein you are looking forward to send in your applications, or with respect to the supervisors or the guides under whom you want to work. Okay, this is very crucial and many students miss out on this point. Okay, so any university that you're picking or any professor that you're picking under whom you want to work, it is recommended that you will find out about his or her work, about the kind of relationship that professor has with his current PhD students. Okay, and with respect to that university as well. Okay, especially check for the fee structures of different universities. Okay, again, see your fellowship amount being offered, the fee structure, hostel availability, and the type of research, the type of equipments that university has to offer. And then also just try to find out about the guide, okay, with respect to the work, with respect to the publications, with respect to the lab environment and the other students who are already working in that particular lab. So a lot of research has to be done before you send in your application. So that's it with the 5 points. Lastly, what I would like to say is that why exactly did I make this video? Many a times I have seen students to be really desperate to get into a PhD program, okay, and sometimes students end up randomly sending their applications, okay, and they also get selected, like they get shortlisted, they crack the interview, they get the position, okay, but later on, because initially this research wasn't done, later on certain doubts start floating up, you know, with respect to the fee structure of the university, with respect to the hostel availability, with respect to the equipments, and then so many things. And then you are already into a PhD program and then you have all these doubts later on. So it's better to get all of these doubts cleared before applying to a particular university or to a particular professor. So that's it for today. I hope this was helpful, and if you guys did like my video, then give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys are new here, then please subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time. Until then, take care. Bye bye.